am reading a story called Frindle. In this story, we learn and discover how all words come to be. In this story, a young man named Nick works hard at school, has a great imagination, and is a very smart boy. He discovers how words are truly made. Words are words because we say they are. Words mean what they mean because we make them mean what they mean. For example, a long time ago, someone made this instrument and called it a pen. But since we are the creators of words, Nick did an experiment, and his experiment changed that word pen to the word friendle, and everyone's lives were changed because they discovered how words are truly made. Please join us as we create our own new words to see if they really will be words or if they will not.
I go to read my book. A book can tell you a story or teach you information. Learning word is simple. I take my super to school every day. I pick my things in it, like books and homework. I made a new word. A load is something you walk on your feet. I wear 2 levels every day. I made a new word. A load is something you walk on your feet. I wear 2 levels every day. Look over there, I see a flirt. I see a flirt. A flirt lives in a nest and lay eggs. We see flirts every day. Flying in the sky. Wild pets come in pairs. You wear them on your feet in between your shoes.